on being here, then you're going to need to know how we operate now.
Issued at 9:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood warning for northeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. At 9:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, minor flooding was occurring on the Upper Choptank River and its tributaries. Some locations that may experience flooding include Denton, Greensboro, Ridgely, and Goldsboro. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. Repeating, an area flood warning has been issued until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday for the following county: Caroline, Maryland.